welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Michelle. Now, Michelle is speaking about something that's interesting today, and she's talking about herself. Yes, she's talking about how proud she is of herself. She's proud of wearing her natural self, of her blackness. And she's also talking about, you know, the fact that people will comment under your videos and the comments that they will make. Basically, she's saying that now she's going to start using those comments to blog on at some point. So that's what she's doing today. There's a gentleman that may have reached out, via comment, and she's answering to that as well. So Michelle is saying that sometimes you see people come on social media and they watch social media all the time and they would like a page for themselves to really express themselves, but they haven't gotten the opportunity to, maybe because they're shy, maybe from other different things. But Michelle is saying that a lot of people would like to do that, and she's saying that people spend time on their phone more now. So just go ahead and watch what Michelle has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, lovelies, and have yourselves a beautiful day.
People have them big master's degree and all of these things. And then I think, they don't want to go work. As I say, I run into work out there. I run into one job where I got burn me out, where I got haggard and tired. Where restrict me from a lot of things. And I run into that. Where me can maybe sit down and talk, about all kind of things on the social media and generate an income. So that's what I'm telling you say. No, when I do my family vlogs, I gotta be smart. I want to comment and when I see them, I just go, yeah, I go address them. Don't think I'm bothered. I've been doing blogging. I'm in a toe-to-toe with nobody in a social media. Nobody. Because it's pointless to me because I don't care what nobody think about me. I don't care. I just don't care. And then in a real life, anytime you hear me say me not care about something, me genuinely don't care. You understand? And that's one thing my husband hates about me. When Michelle Ladana says she not care because I'm a very caring person. But you see, when me say me no care, me just don't care. So when time people used to drag me in at the media, I do not care. That's why, again, me tell us that's why I can come on the media and just do my thing same way. Because if me say me no care about certain things and I'm not affected by it, that means I am not affected by it. I am not bothered. Right? So this now is the least, because me never have to address this, but me just go use it to my for my convenience. You understand? That's what I'm gonna do. That's the smart thing to do. Yeah. So I say all of that to say now, let's address this issue. It's not an issue, me just talk for talks here. Yes, so this gentleman, so me do my family video, and I've always kept it real. Like, my company media, I showcase myself. Like, my hair is out in afro. Maybe it looks a bit unkept. It's in doodle plaits. It just to society. It doesn't look nice. You understand? To society. Right? To what we're used to on the media. We're used to all of the makeup, all of the hair nicely done, or the wigs nicely done and everything. We're used to that. Right? That is what, society deems as beautiful. Where me no conform to society. I don't really care about those things, I don't care about people judging me based on my hair. My hair is my blackness. And people are going to say, yeah, not because it's a blackness in your product, no means it's supposed to be out and about. You do you and let me do me. I am proud of my hair. I'm proud of my hair to be in afro. I'm proud of my hair to be in doodle plaits. I'm proud of my hair to be messy. I am proud to have cornrows. I'm proud to have my gray hairs coming up at the side. A lot of people and I have quite a lot coming up now. Yeah, a lot of people, especially black women, they would never dare come on social media like that. Are you crazy? They would never. because they don't like it. To them, they're not beautiful. To me, I am beautiful. I am more beautiful without makeup, without hair, without the wigs and stuff like that. Mind you, I love a little wig. I used to wear my wigs. I love my wigs. I love the versatility of the wigs. You understand? It's nice. I have wigs in many different colors. Even this birthday, I have a colored wig for my birthday. I'm going to celebrate it on the weekend. It's a colored wig. It's a particular color. So I love a little wig. I love putting on my makeup now and again. But 3/4 of the time, I don't wear makeup. Because, like I say, to me, I'm very beautiful. The way how I look. You understand? So, sir, you will make that comment on my comment section. Maybe you're new to my page or something, right? Because your comments, yeah, stated, you have a husband, but yet still your husband can't send you to a hairdresser. This comment is not new. When I came on social media, I've been hearing this left, right, and center. Go comb here, go comb here. That's why I tell you, I'm just using this for content, because to me it's pointless. But yeah, you're not earning based off that. You're not earning based off of that comment that you made, but I am. It's just the truth. It's the truth. I'm being honest. I'm not gonna tell you the truth. I'm being honest. So let's make some money. All right. My husband now beat me. He's not abusing his children. He pays all the bills. We share all the chores. Right? Him not skin up in face and say XYZ. Him not do it well. He not really touch the bathroom. He wash out the bath and the face basic, but for do a general clean, he not really do that. You understand what I'm saying? But he does laundry. He cooks. We're a team. Yeah? I'm going to tell you again. I don't pay no for my household bills. Not that I can't or I didn't before. But he's somebody who is just a man who don't really like him, woman or him wife do certain things. So I'm going to take over and do it. He's just going to be a man and he's just going to pay bills. Pay mortgage, pay rent, whatever it is. He's going to do. That's what he's going to do. He's just a man and he's just going to stand up and he's going to look after his family. You understand what I'm saying? So, if me have somebody in my life, a man, a father who is present in his children's life, when no for uno man, uno not present in our picnic in life, no for uno come on my page, come comment, I'll have it and come comfort. Uno not present in our children's life. This a Christmas. Uno buy a local Christmas present, you wanna pick them? Uno have a bottle, someone uno have 6 picnic. How many of them uno send one local change go give or buy one local present? When last them see uno? And that and the amount of single parents were they about. Huh? The amount of single parents were they about. It's not even funny. Sometimes tears comes to my eyes. Sometimes tears come on my eye them when I see how some of my friends them go through. Some of my colleagues them go through. Stranger when we meet on the street where them go through as a single parent. And you are going to come on my page, come tell me about my husband for send me a hairdresser. Hairdresser is the least, sir. Me can go to any hairdresser I want. Any. That's the least. You come and tell me about here. But yet, when Caucasian women come on social media with them hair let out and messy, it's beautiful. It's nice. It's so pretty. It's lustrous. It's sexy. It's attractive. It look good. But when a black woman come, wanna feel intimidated, wanna feel shame, wanna feel some type of way, that's because you don't love on yourself. Because if you don't love on yourself, you don't wanna feel no way when you see a black woman with their hair out like that. And every time a black woman I go be able to cane the road them hair down or catch it up or whatever. Sometimes our black woman supposed to be able to do the same as the white woman come and let the natural hair out. If a white woman can do it, why can't a black person do it? The fiction is that society mess we up. All of this is coming from slavery, mess us up, where we should be proud to have our hair out in a afro. You understand what I'm saying? But teach my kids them to embrace them natural self, them natural hair. You know, embrace them natural skin, them color. Because trust me, I was there when I used to bleach out my skin as well. I talk about that on a video where I used to, I maybe won't even see it in the past as well. But I grew up to love myself and accept myself, you know, for how God make me. And yes, me know so God give man, you know, wisdom, knowledge and understanding. If we can, you know, make changes when it come onto the human body, where we can add this, take away that and whatever, and that's great and that's beautiful, right? And my head used to be there at one time as well. But me now, you know, at my age 42 now, and know things when me learn and things when me know now, right? And the love when me have for myself, I'm never gonna do that. I'm never gonna do that. So I don't have no problem, sir, for come on the internet with my hair looking like this, my skin looking like this, bags under my eyes and stuff like that. I'm never gonna feel no type of way. I'm not gonna make nobody make me feel embarrassed. Are you crazy? You know me, you must new to my page and know something not care. You know, sometimes people talk about, you know, oh, professionalism, you're on the media, whatever. I don't give a toss. I am a black woman and I don't care. And I'm not telling other black women to carry themselves like that. No. Because in the real world, I don't look like that. And though you're going to say, yeah, but this is the, you know, World Wide Web where your videos, they're out there and whatever. Right? Yeah, understand all of that. But at the same time, I know that me being my natural self is encouraging somebody out there to, you know what, I'm not going to wear a wig today. Mr. Michelle Ladana, she up on the internet. And by the way, over here, look, she can't wear her hair. I'm not going to wear a wig today. We just go with my natural hair. I can inspire somebody to put on the wig today. Why you get a natural hair every day? I talk about this over and over. You get a natural hair. And you cover it up with somebody else's hair. As somebody here we are wear. Somebody I give it for them here for we wear. But you will shame our hair because we say our hair not pretty enough, you know, nice enough. But the next man here, the European hair, the Indian hair, you know, the Peruvian hair, the Brazilian hair, all of that hair is more beautiful. You see how that sound? That is so embarrassing. It is so embarrassing. So the hair where God give we come from out our scalp. Yeah, we are grow from out our head. And we're so ashamed of it. We don't want to embrace it. 3/4 last year, most of last year, me wear my natural hair. Right throat. The only time I put on a wig, like maybe when I'm going out. Sometimes if you go back, I'll post picture when I go out and I'll just sketch up my natural hair. Right? Me don't want society rob me of my natural beauty. I don't want because of society, me wake up every day in a makeup. Or in a somebody else's hair. I don't want that. No, why? God made me in his own image and he made me beautiful. You turn to the side, me beautiful. Turn to the next side, me beautiful. In at the front, me beautiful. Me tell myself that every God Almighty day. And I wish if a lot of us black women start doing that. I wish if more and more, you know, we see like black women sporting their natural hair. And we said, don't get me wrong, yes, no one again we're gonna put on the little wig them and change up the thing. We're like, you know, we like changes. You understand? But me I say, for the most part, embrace the natural self. Sometimes the gray hair inevitably you get it. You get it by your head. You get it under some people get it under them armpits. Some people get it, man get it under them, you know, chest. You know, then chest here, and you get it by your fanny. It is what it is at the end of the day. You understand? We can't fight it. We might not like it, but we can't fight it. We just have to learn to embrace it. You understand? We get old. I don't know what's the problem. We're getting older. We're going to get gray hairs. And it's no shame to